Bismillahirrahmanirrahim. Today we have to show it that angle in a semicircle is a right angle. That angle in a semicircle is a right angle. We have to prove it. This is a statement of the theorem. It is most important theorem. So first of all, we have to know it that what is semicircle. First of all, we have draw a circle. First of all, we draw a circle. This is circle. Okay. So this is the center of the circle, which is called O. Now the half portion of this circle is called semicircle. Half portion of this circle is called semicircle. The diameter split the circles into two parts, and the each part is called a semicircle. Okay? Angle in a semicircle is a right angle. So we call it this point A and this point B. So this is a semicircle. This is semicircle. Now any point we take in this semicircle, here, 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 anywhere we take any point in this semicircle, suppose we take a point here, D. Okay, so this. Now we have to prove it that this angle D is a right angle. So first of all, we have to write given. So we have a semicircle. We have a semicircle, and angle ADB is the angle of semicircle. Now we have to prove it. To prove what we have to prove, that angle ADB is equal to 90 degree. Now we have make little construction. So here we join D to O. So we have to join this D to this center O. Now we will prove this, that angle ADB is 90 degree. So proof, here statements, and here reasons. So first of all, in triangle ADO, this triangle, this triangle ADAO, and T, this triangle. Okay, so we have take this triangle. In this triangle, OA is equal to OD. The reason of this is both are radii. Both are radii of same circle. So this is isosceles triangle. We know that in a triangle, when two sides are equal, then the angle opposite to them are also equal. So here we have a triangle. Let's suppose this type of triangle. If this and this sides are equal, then this angle and this angle should be equal. So this angle and this angle must be equal. So the OD side opposite have a OAD angle, and OA side have opposite ODA angle. So we have to write it, angle OAD must be congruent to angle ODA. So this angle and this angle must be equal. Now in triangle, so I have to write it like this. So in triangle ODB, OD and B. So OB is equal to OD. Both are radii of same region. Both are radii of the same circle. Okay? So these two sides are equal. So the angle opposite to this side, this angle B, and the angle opposite to this side, this angle opposite to this side OB, this angle ODB must be equal. So we have to write it. So here are the statements and here are the reasons. So OB opposite angle ODB and OD opposite angle OBD. So we have to write it, angle OBD must be equal to angle ODB. So angle opposite to equal sides of a triangle. So this is equation 1 and this is equation 2. Now we have to add both these two equations. Right side add, and left hand side is added in left hand side. So we have to write it, angle OAD plus angle OBD is equal to angle ODA plus angle ODB. So this angle OAD, this angle, plus ODB, this angle, OBD, this angle, is equal to ODA, this angle, and ODB, this angle. So this angle ODA and ODB is equal to, this is equal to ADB, angle ADB. So we have to write it, angle OAD plus angle OBD is equal to angle ADB. So this is equation number 3. Now in a triangle, in triangle ADB. So in triangle ADB, angle OAD plus angle OBD plus angle ADB. So this is a triangle and we know that the sum of all the angles in a triangle is equal to 180 degree. Okay, so we prove that OAD and angle OBD, this is equal to angle ADB. So we have to write it, these both are equal to this one. We have proved it. So we have write it, ADB, this ADB plus ADB is equal to 180. So 1 plus 1 is equal to 2. Measurement angle ADB is equal to 180 degree. So this 2 is divide both side, 2 here, 2 here. These are cancelled. Angle ADB is equal to 90 degree. So we have proved that angle in a semicircle is a right angle. In this way we have proved this. So angle in a semicircle is a right angle.